A major improvement to prevent delays for commuters on Islands Expressway is moving forward. New bridges are being built over the next 3 years. News 3's Martin Staunton takes a look at the construction project in tonight's community report.
I'm positioned at the Frank Spencer boat ramp off Islands Expressway, roughly about a quarter of a mile or so from the intense work on the bridge that's going on just behind me. They're replacing that drawbridge. It's going to cost $60 million.
Years ago, Chatham County leaders decided the drawbridge here had to go, unveiling plans back in 2011. When this work is complete, they hope delays will evaporate.
These type drawbridges are considered functionally obsolete because they stop the flow of traffic.
This work is part of the first phase with minimal impact on traffic flow. Both lanes will be open in both directions most of the time over the next year and a half. But that changes when the work here enters the next stage.
Second phase, we will shift traffic onto the new bridge and we will remove the old bridge. Stage 3 will be building the second bridge in the location of the current bridge.
There will be some inconveniences to people who live nearby.
They will be hearing like hammering. When they are driving the tile for these bridges, they will hear some noise from the construction.
The noise at this point is minimal as the work here is in preparation to build the first of the two bridges.
Basically, right now they're working on the approaches of the bridge as you're coming up. So when they start building the bridge, they'll have that area.
The new high-span bridges will rise 65 feet above the Wilmington River, but the height of the new bridges isn't what sets them apart from the drawbridge.
They will not have to stop for ships anymore.
The scheduled completion date for the work here is November 30th, 2021. But with any construction project, that's barring any delays or any complications that could arise during the work. Reporting from Chatham County, I'm Martin Staunton, WSAV News 3.